Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ben.
And I'm Lily. We're so happy you're here with us today.
If you're new here, hi, welcome. We are two friends from the USA, and we love talking about real, everyday life in English.
That's right, and today's topic is something everyone needs, going to the pharmacy.
Oh yes, this is so important. Because when you are sick, you need medicine. And to get medicine, you need to speak English.
Exactly. And honestly, even for us, native speakers, going to the pharmacy can be a little confusing sometimes.
A little confusing? Lily, I once stood in front of the cold medicine section for like 15 minutes. There were so many choices.
Okay, yes, that is very true. There are so many options. But today we're going to help you feel confident. We'll talk about how to describe your symptoms, how to ask for medicine, and how to read a medicine label.
3 very useful skills. So let's start. Okay, so first, before you even walk into the pharmacy, you need to know your symptoms. Symptoms are the things you feel when you are sick.
Right. So for example, a headache. That's when your head hurts. A stomachache, your stomach hurts. A sore throat. Your throat hurts and it feels rough when you swallow.
And then there's a cough. That's when you keep making this sound. Like that.
Very realistic, Ben. And also a runny nose, when your nose won't stop running. And a fever, when your body temperature is too high.
Actually, I had all of those last winter at the same time. I felt so terrible.
Oh no, what happened?
I got really sick in January. It started with just a small sore throat on Monday. By Wednesday, fever, runny nose, headache, everything.
That's the worst, when it just keeps getting worse every day.
It really is. So I had to go to the pharmacy. And that's a good example, actually, because I had to describe all my symptoms to the pharmacist.
Okay, so let's practice that. Let's say Ben walks into the pharmacy, and I'll be the pharmacist.
Perfect. Okay, here we go. Excuse me? Hi, I need some help.
Of course. What's going on? How can I help you?
Well, I'm not feeling well. I have a sore throat and a runny nose. And I think I have a fever, too. My head is killing me.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you been feeling this way?
Since yesterday. Maybe 2 days.
Okay. Are you having trouble sleeping? Any coughing?
A little cough, yeah. And I can't really sleep because my nose is so stuffy.
Got it. I think I can help you find something. Let me show you a few options. Okay, so that was really natural, right?
Yeah, and notice, I used simple phrases. I'm not feeling well. That's a nice, polite way to say you are sick.
And my head is killing me. That just means your headache is very bad. It's a common expression. It does not mean someone is actually hurting you.
Important clarification. Also, stuffy nose and runny nose, both are about your nose, but they're different. Runny nose, liquid is coming out. Stuffy nose, it's blocked. You can't breathe through it.
I always get confused which is which until I think about it for a second.
Same. But once you learn them, you never forget.
Okay, so now let's talk about asking for medicine. Sometimes you know exactly what you want, and sometimes you just need help from the pharmacist.
Right, the pharmacist is your friend. Their job is to help you. Don't be shy.
Exactly. So some good phrases are, do you have something for a cold? Or, can you recommend something for a headache?
Or if you already know the medicine, do you have ibuprofen? Or where can I find cough syrup?
Cough syrup? Oh my gosh. When I was a kid, my mom always gave me this cherry-flavored cough syrup. I actually loved the taste.
Really? I hated it. It was so sweet. Too sweet.
I was a weird kid. But okay, you can also ask, is this medicine safe to take with other medicine? That's a really important question if you're already taking something.
Yes, very important. Because some medicines don't work well together. The pharmacist always knows this. So just ask.
And if you're not sure which option to choose, because, like Ben said, there are so many, just say, I don't know which one is better. Can you help me choose?
Simple and honest. Pharmacists hear that all the time. They don't judge you, they just help. Okay, so now let's talk about reading a medicine label. Because even after you buy the medicine, you need to understand how to use it.
This is so important. Getting this wrong can be dangerous. So let's go slowly here.
Right. So let's say you have a box of pain reliever, like ibuprofen or acetaminophen. When you look at the label, there are a few key things to find.
First, the name of the medicine. That's usually the biggest text on the box. Then underneath, it often says what it's for, like for headaches, fever, and minor pain.
Then you look for the dosage. That's how much medicine to take. For example, take 2 tablets every 6 hours.
Tablets. That means the pills. The little round things you swallow with water.
And then, how many times a day? 2 tablets up to 4 times a day. That means in one full day, you can take it 4 times, not more.
And there is always a warning. Do not exceed 8 tablets in 24 hours. Exceed means go over that number. Don't take more than that.
That warning is really important. More is not always better with medicine.
Definitely not. And you'll also usually see take with food or take with a full glass of water. Always follow those instructions.
I actually messed that up once. I took some medicine on an empty stomach, and my stomach felt terrible after. Lesson learned.
Yeah, some medicines can really upset your stomach if you don't eat first.
One more thing on the label, the expiration date. It usually says EXP and then a date, like 𝗹𝗯𝗱𝗃2026. That means the medicine is good until August 2026. After that date, throw it away.
Expired medicine might not work as well, and sometimes it's not safe.
So always check the date before you buy, and also before you take it.
Okay, let's do one more little role play. This time, I'll be the customer, and Ben, you're the pharmacist.
Oh, I love this. Okay. Welcome. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for something for a headache and a sore throat. I've had them since this morning.
I'm sorry to hear that. Have you had a fever?
I don't think so. I feel okay, just, uncomfortable.
Okay, you might want to try this one. It's good for both headaches and sore throat. It's a combination medicine.
Oh, great. How do I take it?
Take 2 caplets every 4 to 6 hours. Don't take more than 8 in one day, and try to take it with food.
Got it. And what are caplets? Are those the same as tablets?
Almost the same. Caplets are a little longer and oval-shaped. Tablets are more round, but you swallow both with water.
That was a really good question, right? Because those words, tablet, caplet, capsule, soft gel, they all look similar on a label.
They really do. The main thing to remember is they all go in your mouth and you swallow them with water. The shape is just a little different.
Easy enough.
Okay, so let's wrap things up. What did we learn today?
So much. First, how to describe symptoms. I have a headache. I have a sore throat. I'm not feeling well. My nose is stuffy.
Then, how to ask for help at the pharmacy. Can you recommend something for a cold? Is this safe to take with other medicine? Can you help me choose?
And finally, how to read a medicine label. Dosage, how many times a day. Warnings, expiration date.
These are skills you will use your whole life, whether you're traveling, living abroad, or just visiting a pharmacy in an English-speaking country.
And remember, pharmacists are really helpful. They want to help you. So don't be embarrassed to ask questions, even if your English isn't perfect.
They will understand. Just try your best. That's all anyone can do.
That's all anyone can do. I love that.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope this helped you feel a little more confident next time you go to the pharmacy.
If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. We read everything.
And if you want to practice more English conversations like this one, subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week.
We'll see you next time. Take care of yourselves.
And stay healthy. Bye, everyone.
Bye.